morning, dear students. Today we will going to see the value education subject. We already wrote down the new words of the lesson. Now we will going to learn the lesson. Okay. So lesson number 6, plants and trees our friends. Okay. So I told you why plants and trees are our friends, because from trees and from plant we are get food. We are get the rays of sun. Okay, means we are get the rainy, so behind the rays of sun, behind the rainy, so behind that there was the hand of plant and tree. So these are very important. Okay, so first of all we will going to read. Look at the park, look at the green grass, lovely flowers and other plants, how beautiful they are. Plants are also our friends. Now okay, so here is the garden, you can see. So there are small plants, then trees are there, you know, and all green grass are there. You can see here green grass are there. So always we are going into the garden, going into the park, at that time we feel very lovely and very better, है ना. पार्क बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. Okay, so nature looks very beautiful always. So now let's read next one. Trees and plants gives us pretty flowers. Now look, why trees and plants are our friend. We should know, we should respect the trees and plant, we should give water to them, we should grow them. Now look, why trees and plants are our friends, because trees and plants give us pretty flowers. What they are giving us? Pretty flowers. You can see these flowers. We use flowers for offering God also, है ना. Then any decoration we have to arrange. If any birthday party is there, any decoration is there for any event, so we use flowers, है ना. We use flowers to decorate our home also. So flowers are also important in our life. So that also we get from the trees. Flowers are we get from the trees. Now look, other use of flower. Okay, we decorate our houses with them. Yes, we decorate our houses with them for any event with flowers. We are decorating our house. Then we offer flowers to God also. Then whenever we are going to pray into the temple, at that time we offer the flowers to God. Then just imagine how the world will be in the absence of such a lovely flowers. Okay, so आप imagine करो कि कैसा होता अगर flowers ही नहीं होते. What will happen if flowers are not there? हो सकता है flowers are the means flowers are essential on the earth. Flowers तो होने ही चाहिए, है ना. Now next page. So that is the importance of flowers. Now look, trees and plants gives us vegetables. Now this is a tree. I told you we get the ray of sun from the tree also. Okay, there is the big hand behind the ray of sun. Okay, of tree. Now look, trees and plants gives us vegetable to eat. To eat it. To eat them. Think what will happen if there are no vegetables. Now trees and plants gives us vegetables. Whatever vegetables we are eating, like look here is the girl like you, like lady finger, then spinach, brinjal, cabbage, potato. ओके ये सब वेजिटेबल्स हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? ट्रीज से मिलते हैं. वी गॉट दिस वेजिटेबल्स फ्रॉम द trees, and if trees are not there, then what will happen? We are not getting the food. हमें food ही नहीं मिलता. Not only we are dependent on tree for food, but many of the living things, है ना. बहुत सारे living things नहीं, बहुत सारे living लोग हैं जो, और animals है जो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? ट्रीज के ऊपर डिपेंड है अपने फूड के लिए. ओके, दे आर डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ट्री. सो इफ ट्रीज आर नॉट देयर, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? वी विल नॉट गेट द फूड. दैट्स व्हाई trees are very important in our life. And then rainy will also not come. अगर ट्री नहीं होते तो बारिश भी नहीं आती, फूड भी नहीं ग्रो होता. सो जो ट्रीज है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो थिंक व्हाट विल हैपन इफ देर आर नो वेजिटेबल्स. अगर वेजिटेबल्स ही नहीं होते तो हम खाते क्या. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, trees gives us shade to relax. Animals take. Okay, so trees are give us shade also. Shade, shade, shade. Now you can see this is the biggest tree. If we are like these cows or bulls, if we are stand or sit under the ट्री वी फील शेडो, है ना. बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, हम थक गए हैं, फिर हम कहाँ बैठ जाते हैं, ट्री के नीचे, है ना. विलेज में ज़्यादातर यही होता है. सो ट्री गिव्स अस शेड अल्सो. ट्री जो है वो हमें शेड भी देती है. सो इन द विलेज यू सॉ एनिमल्स व्हेन दे आर टायर्ड. जब वो काम करके थक जाते हैं, एट दैट टाइम एनिमल्स टेक शेल्टर अंडर द ट्रीज, है ना. एनिमल्स टेक शेल्टर अंडर द ट्रीज. मैनी टाइम वी सॉ दैट एनिमल्स आर सिटिंग और रेस्टिंग अंडर द ट्री. वाई? बिकॉज इट प्रोवाइड देम शेल्टर. वो उनको शेल्टर देती है ना. So that's why, so trees are very important for the animals also. Okay, so trees, birds live on the trees. Okay, so जो birds होते हैं like sparrow, crow, they are make their nest on the tree. So tree are important for animals also. Okay, now next, trees our, now look, we saw trees gives us vegetable, then we saw trees gives shelter to animal also. Now other things like fruit, then cereals we got from the tree, that we will going to see now. Okay, so point at your finger. Trees and plants gives us fruit. Yes, trees and plants gives us fruits also. Okay, like sugar cane. Then we get many nice fruits and mangoes, guavas, banana, apple, pomegranate, papaya, honey melon, etc. So ऐसे बहुत सारे fruits हमें ट्री से मिलते हैं. स्ट्रॉबेरी, बहुत सारे fruits. Okay, now next means all fruits we get from the tree. Now from the trees, from where we do get wheat, rice, cereals, etc. we get from the plants. Okay, so rice, जो भी सीरियल्स, मसाले वगैरह वो सब होते हैं, दैट ऑल्सो वी गॉट फ्रॉम द प्लांट, है ना. वो भी हमें प्लांट से ही मिलते हैं. नाउ थिंक हाउ वी वुड हैव सेटिस्फाई अवर हंगर if there were no trees and plants. Now just imagine in your mind what will happen. हम कैसे हमारे हंगर मीन्स जो हमें भूख लगती है वो, हम कैसे हमारे हंगर को सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं. अगर ट्री नहीं होते तो नहीं कर सकते, है ना. ओके, एनिमल्स होते बट वो भी क्या खाते हैं ना. तो देखो आगे, ट्रीज एंड प्लांट्स गिव्स fruit food to birds and animals also. So tree and plants are gives to food birds and animals also. जो bird है, animal है, वो भी tree से ही अपना food पाते हैं. So think tree are so much essential for human beings life. Okay, now new page. We get now tree, we saw the trees uses for food, for vegetable we get fruits, cereals, and birds and animals also using for tree as their food or as their shelter. Now what is the use of tree into our house. Okay, हमारे हाउस में भी ट्री का बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. सो कैसे हम यूज़ करते हैं उसको देखो. वी गेट वुड फ्रॉम द trees. Yes, we get wood from the tree. This is the tree and that is the wood of the tree. Okay, look here, here is the, okay, you can see these are the wood. This is the wood of his tree. Okay, so from that wood we get we make from, देखो, we get wood from the trees. Okay, many useful things in our house like table, chair, door, window, cupboard, आर मेड फ्रॉम द वुड, जो भी हमारे घर पर बहुत सारी वुड की थिंग्स होती है, सो दैट इज मेड फ्रॉम वुड, एंड वुड वी गेट फ्रॉम द ट्री। वुड जो है वो हमें ट्री से मिला है, एंड उसी की चीज़ें हमारे घर में होती है। नाउ लुक, ट्रीज मेक्स एयर फ्रेश एंड दे मेक आवर वर्ल्ड सो ब्यूटीफुल। ट्री आर मेक्स एयर फ्रेश, ट्री जो है वो एयर को फ्रेश बनाते हैं। देन जो हमारे, हाँ, so they make our air fresh. Okay, we got the fresh air from the tree. You observe, whenever we are visiting park or garden, we feel very nice air, है ना, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है air, हमें अच्छे मतलब we feel very nice environment surrounding us, like and whenever we are going into the means near the beach, at that time also we feel very fresh. So trees gives us fresh air, and they make our world beautiful. Without trees, I can't means I don't think our world will be look beautiful, no. So we should not cut them, instead we should grow the trees. Now we know that trees are so much important for our lives and so much important for world, है ना. So we have to grow the trees, हमें trees grow करनी चाहिए. Like this children, look at that, children are sowing the plant, and she is giving water to the plants, so that is very good thing. So we all are have to be do that one. Okay, so in this way we complete the today's lesson number 6. Plants and trees are our friends, so always do respect of trees, give water to trees and grow the trees and plants. Okay, thank you.